Apprentice Forever Fireplace Door Installation. Here are the tools you will need: Phillips screwdriver, socket or wrench size 11/32 of an inch, Allen key size 5/64 of an inch, flashlight, nut driver size 1/4 inch. First, unbox the doors and remove all packing protection. Discard the hardware pack that comes in the box with the doors. This is very important. On the back of the door, there are rubber caps on the set screws. Remove those. Loosen the 2 set screws in the middle of each side using your Allen key. Grab the hardware pack that was included with your fireplace. Slide the set screws into place so that the included stainless steel bracket fits over the set screws. Tighten the set screws back down, but do not over-tighten. Secure the bracket into place using the included stainless steel lock nuts. Do not over-tighten. In the center of the door, remove the bottom magnet strip and put to the side for future use. Carefully lift the doors into the fireplace by putting the top of the door behind the smoke guard lip on the fireplace. Then, slide the bottom of the doors into place. Use the included stainless steel self-tapping screws from your fireplace hardware pack to secure the stainless steel bracket you installed to the fireplace. With fire brick in place, reinstall the lower magnet strip you removed earlier. Door installation complete.